Welcome to this 10-minute full body beginner yoga. This is a wrist-free, prop-free class. Let's go ahead and rest back to begin. Feel the support of the earth underneath you. Let tension release down and out of your body. And feel your breath moving through your body. Take your arms out to the side in a soft T. Take your feet the width of your yoga mat apart, a little bit wider than your hips. And you're going to sway your knees from side to side. So when we get stressed, our autonomic nervous system, which means that it's not something we control, releases stress hormones into your body. And this is so that we can figuratively fight the tiger or run away from the tiger. So if we don't move these stress hormones through our body with some kind of movement, then they accumulate and we get more and more stressed and more anxious. This is why doing these short yoga classes where we move our bodies helps to relieve stress. Okay, you're going to roll to your side now. And you're going to come up onto your knees. You're going to walk your left leg through. You can put your hands on either side of your knee. You can even put your hands on your knee. You're going to lean forward and lean back. And lean forward and lean back. Okay, then we'll switch sides. So you'll walk your right leg through, and then you're just going to lean forward. Feel that opening at the front of your hips, and lean back. Feel it opening on your hamstrings a little bit. And then with your front knee bent, you're just going to come up to standing. Take your feet wide on your mat. Turn your left toes out, your right toes in. Sink down through your front left sit bone. Bring your arms up. Bend your elbows. You're going to side bend over your bent leg. Side bend over your straight leg. Exhale to the side. Inhale to the back. Turn both toes forward, bend your knees, hinge through your hips. You're going to bend and straighten your legs. Bend and straighten your legs. Bend and straighten your legs. And then you're going to come up to standing again. This time you'll turn your left toes in, your right toes out, sink down through your right buttocks. Inhale, bring your arms up, bend your elbows. Exhale, bend over your bent leg. Inhale, bend over your straight leg. Turn both your toes front again. Bend your knees, hinge through your hips. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. You're going to come all the way down onto your bellies. Lie on your stomach. Take your elbows underneath your shoulders here. You're just going to circle your head around in front. Circle your head around in front. And then roll over onto your back. And you're going to hug your knees into your chest. Hold on behind your knees, especially if you have any knee issues, and just rock from side to side. You can circle and massage your low back. Circle the other way. And then you can rest back for savasna, either with your knees bent or your legs long. And I'm going to sit up and read you a poem. This poem is called I Will Be Your Son by DAVE URSILLO from I Am We, a collection of poems. You carry a whole world with you. A planet rests upon your shoulders. You may not see it, but I do. There is a universe within you that you carry wherever you go. Ecosystems of passion and romance. Warring nations of worry and fear. A billion living ideas, stories, and experiences that make up a whole history named you. Wherever you go, I promise to be your son. It's not that your life revolves around me. Think of it like this. Whenever you come to me, I will do my best to be quiet and still, and shine nothing but kindness and light upon you. So give yourself a thumbs up for completing this class. Put I am grateful for moving my body in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more classes like this. Share with your friends. And you can go to melissawest.com/beginner to get the whole beginner challenge. And remember that we have an ad-free version of this in our membership community. Sending you much love from beautiful British Columbia. May your joy be as deep as our Pacific Ocean. May you be as rooted as the old growth trees in our forest. And may you be as strong as our mountains. Om Shanti. Namaste.